Hello, my name is Mike Scott. I'm the developer of WordSmith tools, and you can see me in the room where I do most of the work that I do, and I've been doing this for a long time now. This is the software which I produce. The current version is WordSmith 8. The main tool, the main controller, this is the view of the main controller, and there are a whole lot of different settings and applications which you can use, but the three main ones are the ones you see at the top: the concordance tool, the keywords tool, and the word list tool. The concordance tool makes something looking a bit like this. This is based on Romeo and Juliet. The word list tool makes a word list. Here you can see the words in alphabetical order, and here you can see them in frequency order. And the keywords tool makes a list, picks out the words which are of most interest or most salient in the texts which you've been analyzing. In this particular case, just one play.